Hey, this is Kim, and wanted to make a video. Um, as you all know, I have been working with Midjourney and Midjourney AI images, as well as images on other AI platforms, and have made probably over 2,500. Actually, no, I have made over 2,500 images. And this is what you're looking at right now is just one of the images, but I wanted to just talk about it real quick, do a really quick video and give you some insight. Here's why, being an early adopter of this technology and AI has just been a wonderful thing. I have made over, again, 2,500 images. Here are just some of them that I have made over just a year, maybe not even a whole entire year. And these have enhanced my brand beyond what I can even, articulate. And so, what I have begun to do is use these images. A lot of people are using the images for, fun, having, putting some fun images on your profile, and I'm okay with that. I'm not knocking that at all. But as an entrepreneur and a realtor, you have to come up with ways to articulate your brand message, and set yourself apart from the competition. And right now, we're going through a time where inventory is low, and sales are slacking. So there's not a lot of content out there when it comes to images. And so, we find ourselves going to open houses and recording images there, getting permission and asking other realtors, can we record their a video of their property so that we could have, content and all of that. But sometimes it gets tiresome. I'm not even going to lie. Keeping up with having enough content to stay regular, it's a job in itself. And sometimes you just want to concentrate on lead generation, and you want to have the great content behind your message, and creating that content and creating those images with AI is one way to do it, very quickly. um so I started creating images of, properties, of concept houses, concept kitchens, concept bathrooms, to use as a backdrop for my real estate content. And I'm telling you, it has enhanced my brand and enhanced my content to other levels. Here's some of that content right here. You see, I've created families of, different that are diverse. That's the other thing. A lot of times we can't find content that is diverse and displays diversity. Here are some kitchens, and I'll focus on some of them right there. Like, here's one kitchen that I created with AI. Here's another. Here's another kitchen. Look very realistic. And I didn't just put a prompt in that says, "Hey, create a kitchen." This took a lot. This took a lot of effort, and this was a lot of practice over the year that I have been working on AI. Here's some concept houses that I created with AI and posted to my page. Here's one here. This is one of my favorites. And I just posed the question, blonde brick or black siding in these pictures, in these images. So there is a use. There absolutely is a use for AI in marketing, in branding, in real estate. in articulating and staying top of mind, in articulating your brand and staying top of mind. And so what I'm going to be doing in some future videos is showing you how I create these images. But in the meantime, I do have a Midjourney guide to show you how I create these images, how to create images of your own. And I will be creating more of these images in 2024. But I just wanted to come on and just kind of give you guys an update of what I've been doing and what I've been using. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to my channel. It's going to be a lot going on in 2024.